Hello and welcome to Corn Country Crafts. Today we're going to look at decorative stitches on our sewing machines. We find that a lot of people have beautiful stitches on their machines and don't use them to their full potential. We like to use the multi-line decorative stitch foot, as this helps to keep stitch lines parallel to create projects. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop that on. And I've got a rayon thread in. Polyester or cotton work just as well. I'm going to put my foot down and I'm going to choose a decorative stitch. I like to use the start-stop button on my machine for decorative sewing, but if you prefer some more control you can use your foot control. So I'm just going to turn the speed down here. And press the start-stop button. This is going to create the first row of stitching for me. Just use the scissors there to cut the tails, and you can see the first row of stitching has stitched out. Now I'm going to line the edge of that row up with one of the red lines on the multi-line decorative foot. Let's just go slightly further over, there we go, and I'm going to choose a second decorative stitch. And I'm going to go ahead and press the start button again. And with a little bit of guidance from your hands, you can create a parallel line of stitching. Nearly at the bottom. Okay, we'll use the scissors again here, and you can see a second row of stitching. You can continue this to make fantastic projects. We have a cushion here, which is a woven cushion using the decorative stitches, and it's a perfect project to get to know your new sewing machine. Thank you for watching.